Anything for you, I'm glad I could assist. Here you go. I hope it helps you. No worries, I didn't really need that right now. Guess I was overdressed. Thanks for helping me cool off. Oh, you need that? Sure, go ahead. Feel free, it's not a big deal. You must have a good reason for this. I trust you. I'm fine with it if it helps you out somehow. You picked that up with confidence. I like that. That's refreshing. Splish splash. Oh, it is cold. That would help me cool off. That was surprisingly nice. That's refreshing. I am soaked, but it is also kind of refreshing. Oh, it is cold. That was surprisingly nice. That would help me cool off. Oh, it is cold. That's refreshing. That would help me cool off. Looking for something special? I'm sure you'll find it. Guess I was overdressed. Thanks for helping me cool off. Cool, I'm always up for trying something new. Jackets can really pull an outfit together. Good luck. Anything for you, I'm glad I could assist. Pants shopping, always a challenge. Take your time. Huh, this is interesting. Thanks for the accessory. Browse away. It's a great way to find hidden gems. That was surprisingly painful. At least now the hen doesn't have to pay child support. Shoes can say a lot about a person. Choose wisely. Nice find. Looks like you made a smart choice. Feels good you have a knack for this. Thanks. I'm curious why you chose this for me. This place has a great selection. Enjoy shopping. Good taste. Huh, this is interesting. Thanks for the accessory. Nice find. I hope it's useful to you. It's cool. I hope everyone inside has a great time. You're a little too handsy for my taste, idiot. You better appreciate that, idiot. Next time, get permission before stripping me down, dummy. Hey, I don't recall asking for a wardrobe change, genius. You better appreciate that, idiot. Taking my stuff without asking, genius move. That That is not useful, idiot. Now I am all soaked, moron. Oh, idiot, this fit was pricey. Idiot, I'm all wet now. Now I am all soaked, moron. Oh, idiot, this fit was pricey. Idiot, I'm all wet now. Now I am all soaked, moron. Oh, idiot, this fit was pricey. Now I am all soaked, moron. Now I am all wet, dummy. Now I am all soaked, moron. Idiot, I'm all wet now. Now I am all soaked, moron. Hurry it up. I'm not here to watch you window shop forever. That does not look good. That's how you handle respected guests. Ridiculous. Next time, get permission before stripping me down, dummy. You're dressing me up now. Don't you have better things to do, dummy? Hope you know I'm not your mannequin, genius. Are you really stuck on pants? Move it along, dummy. Sure, give your money to someone else. Real smart move. He totally scammed you. Make a choice already. My patience isn't endless. That does not look good. You're dressing me up now. Don't you have better things to do, dummy? If it's itchy, I'm blaming you, idiot. You're dressing me up now. Don't you have better things to do? You better appreciate that, idiot. What do you need that for? Now that wasn't so hard, was it? Sure, give your money to someone else. Real smart move.
I've been told the scene inside is unmatched. I'd be grateful to see it. No problem. I hope the rest of your night goes well. Great choice. I'm sure it'll help somehow. Hope you got good price for it. You are
My friends keep raving about what's inside. I'd really like to see it for myself. Finding the perfect pair? I'm sure you'll pick something classy. Feel free, it's not a big deal. A bold move. That was painful. You must have a good reason for this. I trust you. I'll wear it proudly. You've got good taste. Feel free, it's not a big deal. No problem. I wasn't using it anyway. You must have a good reason for this. I trust you. Here you go. I hope it helps you. Anything for you. I'm glad I could assist. Looks like you've got a good eye for quality. That would help me cool off. Oh, it is cold. Splish splash. Nice find. Looks like you made a smart choice. Penny saved, penny earned. You are a natural businessman. Cash money. You are a natural businessman. Cash money. Hope you got good price for it. You are a natural businessman. Hope you got good price for it. You are a natural businessman.